If your Snapchat front camera isn't working and you keep getting switched to the rear camera, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to fix it in just a few simple steps. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to get back to taking selfies and snapping with your friends. First of all, open up your Google Play Store and then tap on the search bar up top and search for Snapchat. To the right of Snapchat, it will either say, Open or Update. If it says Open, that means you are using the latest version of the Snapchat application. If it says Update, then you need to go ahead and update your app to the latest version as soon as possible, because updating your app usually fixes these weird bugs and glitches in the app. After that, go over to your settings and scroll down and tap on Apps. After that, tap on this search bar up top and type in Snapchat. And then tap on Permissions and allow permission for the camera, microphone, and storage. After that, restart your device and hopefully, your problem will be resolved. If you still encounter the same issue, then uninstall the Snapchat app and then reinstall it back onto your device. That might also solve the issue. So that wraps up this video. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.